Daso akidaso. Afit maranian is mashallah my relationship with business for Maragi Mafetu for real. I'm not the father, Angam Tuana, Kona, Las Ponyami, Upoyuno Lian, I'm not the father. Aksim Ubabaloyum Tuana. Agusi him Ubabaloyum Tuana. Aksim Babaloyum Tuana. Lumontuk Talang Aslugana Nai. So Nigan Gumbuza, congratulations, Nan. Agusi him Ubabaloyum Tuana. Lasponiam upoyo. Lasponiam umonde junior. Aksim baba lomntwana. So ngeke ngibuza izinto engazazi. Ngiyanicela. Kudala ngahlukana naloyo muntu loyo. Kudala ngisho ngineminyaka namamanzi angimazi nokuthi uphilaphi. Nami ngifana nami ngishuku. Aksim baba lomntwana ngicela ngaphinde. Ma comments wami umuntu makhuluma athi watch out, congratulations nimtshela ukuthi ungazodakela umonde akazani nomntwana. So please siyabonga ke cleared akusimo baba lo mntwana. So ngicela bafethu guys ngicela akusimina anestiri ngazi next nini baba lo mntwana no commenta khona ayikimba futhi kusendaweni wrong nini kara comment khona kusimba baba lo mntwana last ponyam Monday Junior ngikhipha isimali because yangihlekisa already ne. Ende bayamazi baba umntwana orangivari bangiphaphela nje. Mfethu it's not my place ukuthi ngikhuluma nabo baba umntwana wathi. Kusinda wayami le akusiyami ke le. Bazangitshela abaziyo mina ngazi nami ngifana nani ngazi next. Let's move on ke sesengithole ukuthi mina angisuka baba umntwana. Bafethu marani ngirestan yini nizo accepta nini ukuthi vele mina ngisekho lapha restan bafethu move on. Ora ngifuna ukubona sengivezani bambable lami la khani nizokhola ukuthi angisekho ra. Ngifuna ukubona sengivezele le unbambable lami phambi kwami khani nizokhola ukuthi azini umonde akasekho ra. Ngifuna ukubona ngivezele unbambable phambi kwami. Bake bangibona baningi abantu bangibona mfethu nemedia. Bake bangibona babaziyo bayazi bake bangibona. Ngizongibona ngingamjaha.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Monde Shange uthi ucela abantu obangamsukeli bathu ibaby daddy yagogo Sikhutheni bathu umethi segogo Sikhutheni announce pregnancy yakhe enkundleni yokuxhumana and people are saying ukuthi he's the father uthi akasuye ubaba umntwana uthi naye umangelo ufana nani akade lutho nje uthi animiyekeni phansi. This is after gogo Sikhutheni ambewe lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana wayofaka my pictures akhe la pregnant khona announcing pregnancy yakhe ebantwini and people were saying ukuthi ayibo we didn't see this one coming. People were saying ukuthi congratulations girl, you deserve it. Sikujabulele siyakubongela, congratulations to you. And some were asking ukuthi who's the baby daddy because siyati ukuthi uMonde Shange and ugogo Sikhutheni bahlukana kesana. So people are now coming for uMonde saying ukuthi umethi segogo Sikhutheni, congratulations on you guys, isibonile ugogo Sikhutheni fake ama pictures. We know how people are. Uthi Monde cela nje nimike phansi akade lutho wena ngaleyo pregnancy naye bekaqala kubona uma nanini qala kubona ngalesikana announcer naye usamangele akasuye nje baby daddy waSikhutheni walo mntwana lo lamthwele manje usibantu abakhe nasikhutheni it was uBoyo and ubani uLiana. And ngiyatibuta ukuthi why bantu bamsukele kuMonde, because we all know ukuthi uGogo Sikhutheni naMonde bahlukana. uGogo Sikhutheni, she's now in a relationship with this guy Masterpiece. And kuthi window ya Masterpiece and uGogo Sikhutheni serious gabi ngendlela yokuthi they even now live together kesana. Ngiyakutshela cho. But they live together, vele ba happy guys, bayathandzana. So lento ukuthi bantu basukele uMonde guys, it's not cool. Senyosinene always manibona uSikhutheni pregnant nibe nathi because wahlukana naMonde, niyokuthi congratulations kuMonde for something that he doesn't know. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.